Succulent prawns encased in a crispy coconutty coating. Get excited because these prawns are going to be tasty. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. We've been making these coconut prawns for family gatherings and celebrations for years. In fact, Chris first made them for me for our first New Year's Eve together about 17 years ago. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by heating the oil. Add 120 ml, which is about half a cup of oil, to a large frying pan or wok. I've got 3 shallow bowls here. In the first bowl, I've got 3 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add a good pinch of salt and pepper and give it a mix. In the second bowl, we're going to mix together an egg and 120 ml, which is about half a cup of full-fat tinned coconut milk. In the last bowl, add 5 tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs and 4 tablespoons of unsweetened desiccated coconut. Now I've got 250 grams, which is about half a pound of raw peeled king prawns here. With or without tails will be just fine. And we're going to pat them down with a little bit of kitchen paper. Coat the prawns first in the flour, then dip into the egg mixture, and finally coat in the coconut mixture. Place on a plate and repeat until you've coated all of the prawns. By now that oil should be hot. You can tell that it's hot enough by dropping in a couple of the panko breadcrumbs and they should sizzle gently. Add the prawns to the oil and cook on one side until golden brown, which will take about a minute or so. Then turn them over and cook on the other side until golden brown, about another minute. Remove from the pan with a slotted spoon or a set of tongs and place on a plate on top of a piece of kitchen paper to remove any excess oil. You're probably going to need to work in 2 batches depending on the size of your pan. Then transfer to a serving plate and serve alongside some sweet and sour sauce or sweet chilli sauce for a kick of heat. That's how you make coconut prawns, and if you're a prawn loving fiend like me, you have to check out Chris's prawn toast recipe here. See you next time for more delicious recipes.